Hello and welcome to a quick guide to iOS 11's new features. I'm Jonathan A. Daly. Before giving you a brief overview of this course, I'd like to tell you a little bit about my background. I'm a co-founder of Nacelle Games, a studio that is making mobile apps and games. I've developed dozens of applications for iOS, macOS, and Windows, and I've also authored several tutorials on software and game development. Let me give you a brief overview of this course. The first section of this course will review the user interface changes that have taken place in iOS 11 and how they impact app design on iPhone X. Next, we'll cover SiriKit's new Notes domain, in which will be shown how to add a SiriKit Intents extension, how to set up the Intents extension info property list, how to modify the principal class for the Intents extension, and how to implement the resolve, confirm, and handle methods for SiriKit. Then, we'll cover iOS 11's new drag and drop feature, and you'll be shown how to implement the drag and drop delegates on a UI table view, how to implement a drop proposal, and how to implement custom drag previews for a UI table view cell. In the final section, we'll discuss implementing natural language processing into your application and improve the utility of your apps by using the NS Linguistic Tagger class to identify parts of speech, lematize words, and recognize named entities. I hope you'll join me throughout this course and learn how to implement the newest iOS 11 features into your applications.